Okay folks, Ben back again with another video. This time it's going to be a wonderful unboxing video of something very interesting that will be revealed in some time from now. But for now, this is the package that has arrived from Delhi from a company called Golden Riders. These guys make accessories, luggage, touring accessories specifically for all sorts of motorcycles in India, and they are a Delhi-based company. So what I have with me is something which is quite small if you were to compare it to the size of my palm or my hand. So let's dig into it and check out what's inside. How to tear open. Very well packaged. Yep, so what comes out is a tank pouch. Quite interesting. Why is because of this. They have about 2, 3, 4, 5 magnets stitched, woven inside the structure. So all you need to do is just throw it on your tank and this is going to stick. Wonderful pouch that will definitely help me with carrying my everyday carry stuff or my EDC stuff and my mobile on top. So my wallet, my mobile, my Swiss Army knife, my basic set of tools, few tools, and some medical kit. And what else can I carry? Maybe a small water bottle, a tiny water bottle. So we'll put this to the test. Morning coffee and biscuits.
What do you speak? Hindi? तीसरा signal दिख रहा है यहाँ से? Do you see the third one?
Yeah.
There are 3 lights, 3 reds. The third one you take a right.
Okay, thank you so much.
And that's all that comes out of the M pouch or pouch. My wallet. These are the basic everyday carries that I have with me. A waterproof pouch for the mobile phone, my charging socket, additional batteries for the GoPro, and a small iPhone cable, and of course the stock factory converter from Powertronic. What you see is an additional stand for the GoPro and my multi-purpose toolkit from Stanley. Added to that, well, of course, this thing can take a small water bottle, maybe some knickknacks, some snacks, and that's a rain cover that comes out of the bag. This comes along with the bag. All you need to do is just get rid of your charging system, and there you go. So that's Golden Rider's waterproof bag, and pretty nice if you ask me. Quite versatile and really smart. Under 1000 rupees, Indian rupees, and I mean, for something which is under 1000 rupees, this is extremely versatile. I have been trying to make a dedicated video on off-road terrain with this, and just show to you guys what I mean in terms of how versatile this bag is. And maybe I'll do it some other day, but for today, just a small quick city ride and what this thing can do. So of course this can sit on the tank without the straps as well. Why? Is because this is after all a magnetic tank bag, and something like that doesn't budge. Right onto the side still holds. I mean, of course it's not foolproof, but these are about 5 magnets, and they do their job pretty well. This is just an idea of mine, just to make it a little more secure onto the tank, and hold it right there. I mean, even if you were to do jumps and bumps, it shouldn't budge. So that was the whole idea behind running the strap through these tank guards. This definitely doesn't replace larger capacity tank bag, something which is the likes of 10 plus liters, because you can carry a lot more of your everyday carried stuff in a dedicated tank bag. But then again, this is a tank pouch, so it's just the basic stuff for you to maybe go visit your friend and come back, and maybe or just do a small quick ride into the woods and come back. Nothing serious, just quick go and be back in about an hour kind of a trip. So that's the quick review of the Golden Rider's M pouch. We'll definitely leave a link in the description about how to go and get one for yourself, and that will be it. Contact details mentioned as well. So I shall see you guys on another one. This is Ben signing out for now.